How to add Printify to Shopify. So if you want to go ahead and quickly add your Printify to your Shopify, you're going to go to Add Apps and you're going to click on Shopify App Store. Now, as we click over here, it's going to bring us to our Shopify App Store, and here you're going to search up for Printify. Now, once you search up for Printify, it will give you this application over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply click on Install, and it takes you through the installation section. Now, it's going to take you to the Printify app where it might ask you to log in with your account. Now, if your account is already logged in, on your browser and your cache or cookies, it's going to happen. What you're going to do is simply come here and click on install. Now, as you click on install, it's going to load you in to the section where it's going to give you print on demand and everything. So we're just going to wait for this to load us in. Now, once we are loaded in properly and fully, what's going to happen is it's going to bring you here where you're going to add your email and password. Okay. And once you add your email and password, what that will do is it will sign in with your Printify, and that will connect your Printify to your Shopify. And from there, you can send products in, send products out, and do drop shipping. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.